Hello traders. In this podcast, I would like to address a very common question that we get in regards to how many trades do we win, how many trades do we lose, what's an acceptable rate, and then for the novice or newbie trader that loses one trade and panics, I'd like to address that as well. Over the years, we have networked, gone to the conferences, gone to the shows. We surround ourselves with Forex traders, analysts, techs that build software for us, expert advisors, custom indicators, all of these things that make up what we do to give us a higher accuracy when we trade the foreign exchange market. And while we have every tool, every indicator, a team full of techs, a team full of analysts, and just a whole group working very, very hard to ensure that we're giving the best possible trades that can be taken. Following the trade from when it opens to close, when a trade reverses, getting out of that trade, letting our signal subscribers know to get out of a trade, when to enter, when to add more to a trade. All of these things make up our company, Forex Clone, and allow us to be really just ahead of the competition. But with that said, we will still lose trades. No company is perfect. It is impossible to not lose trades. It doesn't matter how much money in backing we have. It doesn't matter how smart our brains are, how many indicators we have, how many analysts we have scanning and looking at the market at all times of the day. All of these things, every tool in our toolbox, in our arsenal, we're still going to lose trades. So first, let me start off by saying, if any company promises you that they're winning 99% of their trades, or they're not losing trades, or they've got a perfect win rate, these are all of the silly things that we hear literally from so many traders that come to us that have either been duped or misled or miseducated. This is impossible. It cannot be done. Billionaire hedge fund companies, the best Forex minds, traders in the world still lose trades. It's impossible to not lose trades. It doesn't matter if you've got 100 indicators saying that a trade is going to go up or down. It certainly can go the opposite direction, and it will happen. When we place trades in our copy trading, and when we send out these same trades in our signals, and a trade is lost, number one, if you're using our signals, we hope that you're using proper money management, 1% to 2% per trade. We have another video or a podcast on money management, which I highly recommend you listen to understand that. But if you're a copy trader, you have the ability to set your risk, either proportionate to our balance, or increasing that percentage or decreasing that percentage based on your risk needs. We don't recommend increasing it because we trade 1% to 2% per trade, but we do have some traders that they do have that option of doing that. When you lose a trade, just like us, we are vested in your success because we trade live accounts, and we are trading the exact same trades that we give our copy traders and signal providers. So when you lose a trade, we have also lost that same trade. When we win a trade, you have won that trade, and vice versa. So it is in our best interest to do the very best that we can to win as many trades as possible, and currently that rate is over 70%. Some months, 85%, some months 65%, but we average over 70% of winning trades, and with proper money management, that's a winning strategy. We will always make money and we can win that high of a percentage. But are we winning 95% of our trades or 99%? We are not. And no company is. If you go on many of the copy trading forums, or if you go on the places that traders can post their results, you take a look at the very best traders, and they're also around this range. I would like to just clear up a common misconception, or also just information that is wrong. Many times we get traders that come to us and say ABC company has a 90% win rate with verified MyFX book stats. They're killing it, they're doing great. How are they doing this? Or 100% win rates. And most of the time, or all of the time, we will invite them to take a look at the open trades that these companies have. Most of the time, those open trades will be hidden or not accessible. So while their closed trades make up a 95 or 100% win rate or a 90% win rate, you're not able to see the open trades, which is the problem. Whereas if they've got a 50% drawdown, or they've got 10,000 pips negative in their open trades, but all of their closed trades have resulted in a win, this is where the hiccup is. So as we always say, use common sense. If it doesn't completely add up, if the entire picture does not add up, be cautious and run away. So to address the original question, what's a good percentage to win? Can I win all of my trades? And to the newbie out there who loses his first trade or loses 2 in a row, this is bound to happen. We try to make money every single month for our customers. We make between 10 and 20%, 15 to 20% really. But, can we lose 10 trades in a row, 5 trades in a row? Yes. Does it happen to the best companies out there? It absolutely does. Anyone who says that it doesn't is lying. This is just the market. Money is made month in, month out. You can't look at one trade or a week's worth of trades. Look at a month's worth of trades, a few months worth of trades, and then decide, analyze how a company is doing. But to the newbie or to the fresh trader out there, if we start a signal subscription with you or copy trading subscription with you, and you see your first trade for some reason loses, or you trade and 6 out of 10 have won, but you've lost 4, and you panic and you cancel and you say, this is not for me. Maybe it isn't for you, but I assure you that going from company to company, trying to find that magic pill, trying to find that company that produces the 100% track record, 100% win rate, you're never going to find it. And just be very cautious about anyone who says that it does exist, or that it is out there, because it's not. So I hope this sheds some light. Forex trading is one not as a sprint, but as a marathon. You will trade over and over, and you will do it over a long period of time, and you will take hundreds or thousands of trades, and if your winning percentage is over 70%, your money management is positive, you will make far greater money than any kind of stock market or hedge fund or money management company can provide to you. And that's really the aim. That's what we're after. But if you take a signal or a copy trade and you lose one trade and you panic and you freak out, you shouldn't, because sometimes this does happen, and this is just the name of the game. And no matter how much money we throw, as I said before earlier in this video, it doesn't matter how much money we throw at analysts and indicators and the best, brightest minds in the world, best techs in the world, putting together our algorithms, we're still going to lose trades. This is just the name of the game. If you can win more than you lose with proper money management, that's what to expect in Forex, and that's how you make money in the long term. Leave your comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to think about that. Hopefully this video resonates with you. And as always, contact us, send us an email if you have any questions, or again, you can comment below this video and let us know what you think. We read all comments and we'll reply to them. Have a great day, traders.